Let me show you some more tricks to use generative fill to enhance product. In this image, you can see a big dark patch on the sofa. If you want to remove it quickly, simply make a selection over the area. Then click on Generative Fill and generate. The patch is removed instantly. Now choose the best one. I think this looks good. And to make more natural and blend this area. Now let's add some noise. And you get a clean, natural looking result. See the before and after result. So, generative fill can speed up your workflow significantly if you use it the right way. Let me show you another example. In this cup, there is a visible patch that we want to remove. First, make a selection over the patch. When I click on this icon, you'll notice several options. Transform selection lets you resize or reshape your selection. You can try more options also. Inverse selection flips the selection so that everything outside the current area is selected. Create mask makes a mask from your selection. And Photoshop will automatically fix the cup. Now choose the best one. I think this looks good. In this next image, let's fix another area. First, let's fix it with Generative Fill. First, let's fix the left side of the area. Now, let's move on to the right side. Now we need to fix this light also. To do this, open curves, drag the curve bar down to darken the spot, and then invert it using Ctrl+I. Select the brush tool and adjust the brush settings such as size and hardness. For best results, keep the hardness set to 0. Now, decrease the opacity slightly and make sure the foreground color is set to white and gently paint over the area you want to correct. Now, decrease the fill slightly for best result. Let's see before and after result. Now let's fix the color first. Create a new layer and then use the eyedropper tool I to pick a nearby color. Choose color blending mode and paint over the patch to blend it seamlessly. The spot is now completely fixed. You can apply the same method to correct other areas as well. Finally, let's compare the before and after, and you can clearly see the improvement. And with these techniques, you can easily clean up your images and achieve professional results in just a few steps.